Hi and welcome to another Schoolbox tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the class marksheet and grading due work. So to start, what we're going to do is make sure that we've actually added a due work item. If we haven't added a due work item, then we're going to navigate to the due work component on our homepage, and we're going to post due work and follow the process to actually create a due work item. Once we've created a due work item, we're going to actually navigate through to our submissions tab, and you can see here that I've created a number of due work items for my chemistry class. So under the submissions page, this is a list of all of the due work items that I've posted for my class. You can see here I've got some snapshot information of who's submitted, how many have submitted their work back, how many I've returned, etc. Now in this instance I'm going to click on a particular due work item, and that's going to take me to the mark sheet for that due work item. Now you can see a list of all of your students on this interface, and it's going to show who's submitted on time, if they've uploaded any files, when it was submitted, if it was submitted late, etc., or if it's unsubmitted in these instances. So using the marksheet interface, it's going to enable us to quickly grade these due work items for each student, and we can simply type in feedback into these fields and click out of them, and that's instantly going to have sent that feedback back to that student. Of course, if there was nothing submitted, or it was unassessed, or the student was absent, we can also set those settings. And if we actually select, if we wanted to, for example, look at the actual files that the students had submitted, we can simply download that submission, or we can use this button at the top to download all of the submissions submitted by the class. And that's going to actually rename those files to the student's name followed by the file name. Now if we wanted to look at a particular student's history of that work, and if we've got multiple submissions enabled for the due work item, that's going to enable us to view that history here along with the comments and feedback that I've submitted to that student. I can also download their most recent submission here and optionally post that due work item to their ePortfolio. Now if we've downloaded their work and we wanted to annotate it and mark that up, we can then do so, and we can use this select marked work button, and we can actually then select a file, and we can go through and do that for each student and then hit upload all, and that's going to then have actually sent that markup back to the student as well in an annotated version. So there's obviously a lot of power within the class marksheet. I hope that this tutorial has given you a brief introduction to how this can work for you in your classroom. There's more information available on our wiki at wiki.schoolbox.com.au, and thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.